Continuing my yoga journey, I returned from a month camping at Lutruwita, Tasmania, which comprised of some fairly ad hoc practice times. I now concentrated on maintaining consistent timing as I settled back into home life. Enjoying cosy inside workouts over winter, I always enjoy my grandkids' company as they practice their moves alongside me. It is so satisfying to witness their cognition and motor skills improve over the years I've been practicing with them. Regular yoga practices teach me every day what I'm made of. They reinforce the self-discipline and drive I strive for to improve myself physically, mentally and emotionally. I had a couple of visits to Melbourne and some bush training sessions over spring. Again, these tested my resolve to maintain the consistent timing of my practices. Over summer, my yoga sessions were often a post-run workout. In February, I ran the 10-kilometre Calm and Fun Run in Melbourne in a hailstorm. It was very challenging. As Amelia Earhart said, the most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity.